Okay, I make a plate like extension with just a half-inch plywood, two plywood each side, and follow the existing hole in the transom. Then the purpose is to like I have a block of this maybe 1¼ inch blocks, so I can raise at the base. This is the standard raise 1¼ inch, and if I want to increase more, I have because I have a riser, I have another for this one is a retender. I don't know what it called. So I have a few pieces of plywood, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. So if I would like to know the make any adjustment, so I'll just choose whatever which one I will need. So like this is 1/2 inch, or maybe I need a 3/4 1/2 inch. So just for testing purpose. This is not the finalized. So if I already if the height already like is already fixed, if I know the height, the actual height I need, then I'll make a proper one. This is just quick jig for testing which height I need. So this is a quite easy make. Yeah. Thank you.